Today's video tutorial is about ScrollView, and inside ScrollView I am using ConstraintLayout. When we use ConstraintLayout with ScrollView, we used to get some issues. In this video, I am explaining about that also. So let's start the tutorial. First, I am creating a project, selecting empty activity, and giving a name to my project. So this is the main activity. In this tutorial, I am focusing on the design part. So let's open activity main.xml. Here, delete the default text view in the constraint layout, then drag and drop scroll view, which is inside container in the palette. We actually need constraint layout inside scroll view. But here, when we dragged, constraint layout is not inside scroll view. So open the split view. First, delete this linear layout in scroll view. Copy the code of scroll view to the top. Now constraint layout is in the scroll view. And copy paste these three lines from constraint layout as it has to be in the parent view. Now format these lines by pressing Ctrl-Alt-L. Now everything is perfect. About scroll view, it can have only one direct child placed within it. In that child, you can have other views and view groups. In our case, constraint layout is the child of scroll view. Scroll view is a view group that allows view hierarchy inside that to be scrolled. Scroll view supports only vertical scrolling. Horizontal scroll view is used for scrolling horizontally. Here I am showing about vertical scroll view. In design part, you can see a warning on constraint layout. It says constraint layout should use layout height as wrap content. So correct that. Now the warning is gone. Now I am planning to add some views like TextView, EditText and Button, so that I can show you the functioning of scroll view properly. Now drag and drop text view to the layout, but what happened is I am unable to add text view. To solve this issue, you need to add one attribute called fill viewport equals true. Now I am able to add views. I am giving constraints to the text view. Giving text, and other attributes like text style, text size and all. Next, I am adding an edit text under that, and I am giving constraints, adding few more edit text one after another, giving constraints to all views, and then I add a button also and give attributes to the views. You can see these warnings in the side. This warning is about hard-coded string, so correct that. Detailed video is available in this channel. Whatever warning appears, you need to click on that, understand the issue and correct that. This will be beneficial for your app's performance. Now you can see it's scrolling in the layout. Now run the application. Here I added one text view, 4 edit text. After that, a button. But when I run the application, you can see last edit text and button is not in the screen. To solve that, go to the XML code. In scroll view, layout width and height is given in dp. It says layout height 729 dp. This was default when I added scroll view. We have to change layout width to match parent, and layout height to wrap content. Try to give these match parent, wrap content and all in most of the cases, so that you don't have to worry about the screen size or layout size. Also, instead of scroll view, it is better to use nested scroll view. Nested scroll view offers greater user interface flexibility and support for the material design scrolling patterns. And don't add recycler view or list view in scroll view. It will lead to poor user interface performance and a poor user experience. So this was today's video. Hope you all liked this. If you need videos about nested scroll view, horizontal scroll view and all, do let me know. We'll come up with the next video. Thanks for watching.